Okay, let me see if I can fix my freaking drawing this time.
Oh my god. My goose is so proud. Like, so proud. Yeah, it's like standing up so tall, like, I'm better than all of you.
Oh, okay. The eyelashes make it cute. The eyelashes are cute.
Mine do not need eyelashes. Eyelashes.
I need eyelashes.
I need
as much femininity as I can get, man.
Ooh. Go, Mom, why does it look like you're holding a sword or a knife in one hand?
Oh, yes, holding a flower and flipping people off.
3, 2, 1.
Hello there, this is Drawful. 6 players, huh? It's like a little party in here. A party where everybody gets to draw twice. Let's get to the game. Okay, I'm sending a title to each of your devices. Something odd, like Baby Spider-Man, or Lincoln's Ghost. Draw a picture on your device that would have that title, and when you're done, hit send. And you'll get points for each player that can correctly guess your title. So, okay, let's get to the good part. Now, use your device to type in what you think the title for this picture could have been. Or better yet, something you think could trick
like a
the
bunch
other
of
players into thinking it's the title. You get points for every player that picks your answer.
Threatening him with the limb of his brother.
What is that called? What is that called? Regeneration?
Regeneration. Oh, there's lots of them. The Tarrasque. My favorite, the Tarrasque. I'm gonna kick your
Here are your
Tarrasque.
choices. Now pick the title you think really inspired this drawing.
This one.
Right, who picked what?
Like yours.
Yeah. Thanks for throwing me a bone, kid.
Yeah, maybe the third one.
Oh, I fell for super
What kind of fire
shit.
is that?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna try to forget any of this ever happened.
You know, it wouldn't let me put pickup sticks. So I had to add 5, 6 because apparently I was right. That's why.
Let's
Why
take
the-
a look at our
why did I
next
choose
piece of
the
art.
wrong one?
Type in a convincing
I'm so
title
stupid.
now.
Oh, I see. Okay, my brain really could not figure out what I was looking at for a second.
Mermaid.
Oh my god, I did it again! I have to pick something else!
What kind of power do you have bestowed upon you?
How
Here are
about
your
that?
choices.
Aha! Aha!
Oh, you're so funny.
Who put centaur hooker?
I did.
What did everybody
Wow! Ah! I got one. At least my experience gave away the answer for you guys.
Yeah.
We appreciate
I gave you a freebie.
Some free real estate there.
I'm like
Yeah,
I gave you a
everyone.
50% chance of right or wrong.
I'm done at the one.
And this one.
Oh, good. Here's mine. Yeah,
What the
don't
hell?
worry. It's not what it looks like,
What the hell are they?
but it also is.
Right.
It's not.
So there's no
But I-
windshield smashing?
No windshield smashing.
Windshield smash. Let's smash your windshield.
It's a very snaky looking goose. It's very banana-like.
Have you ever seen?
Oh, because the other, I didn't draw a mouth on the other one. My mind
Here's
went bad
everybody's
places
picks.
at first, and I realized.
Only me. Okay. Yeah, of course. I don't know.
No, I fell for you.
Oh man.
Tired of spooning.
Yeah, I didn't know how to.
No correct guesses.
That's why the
Ooh, that
Yeah,
hurts.
I was like, I don't know how to convey that one of them is tired of spooning. So,
Ugh. Why did you have to make me spoon people?
tired of being
There I
a
am,
big
right
food.
there at the bottom.
I want to be a
Type in your
knife.
titles now.
And so,
Yeah. What if I want to be a spatula?
Don't even question it. That's just the whole picture right there.
Hurry up, just type in anything you can think of. And here are your choices.
No, oh, I tapped the wrong thing. Oh well. I don't think that's the right one.
So,
And here are your picks.
me tapping the wrong one.
But that's okay because I got fooled too, so that's fine. Well, I wasn't fooled. I just tapped on the wrong one. I meant to click this one. Oh, well, that one's a lie
That would've been
too.
wrong
Right
too.
then.
Yeah,
Is it face hammer?
it is.
Somebody's wrong. Everybody's
I
wrong.
What
kind of had a
exactly
weird
is a
feeling
face
about that
hammer?
one.
Somebody explain.
What the hell's
Are they
a
just
face
making
hammer?
shit up? That's what I want to know. Come on now.
They just make the
that's
most
like thing. No.
weird stuff.
Hey,
Hey.
I missed the last place. Hey, I'll take
There
it.
you go.
And now this.
That is a bowl of cereal.
That's exactly what it
There's
is.
literally nothing else I could do with this. It was like asking, hey, draw a T-Rex with full details. How?
45.
It's impossible. I'm not hoping for anyone to get this because I don't know how anyone could get this.
Timmy's poop in a bowl.
Okay, here are your choices.
What the hell are crunch berries? Is that like an Australian thing?
No, Crunch Berries is Captain
Captain
Crunch
Crunch.
without the yellow stuff.
I have no idea.
I've never heard of that before. I thought maybe it was like a European food or like Australian
Pick
that I've never heard of it before.
Nope, it's American.
All right, who picked what?
I'll eat it.
I've never heard of it.
No, that's good.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna say this right now. It is not a bowl of cereal.
That
Probably be
is not.
saving these drawings. Or
That is
What
absolutely.
does your trail mix look like in Australia?
You could have drawn like pretzels and nuts and then like a bag. You put your trail mixes in a bag, not a bowl.
You can eat
What, are you gonna
trail
pour
mix in a
milk
bowl.
on it?
Ooh.
Trail
Mm.
mix in a
Okay,
bowl,
let's do this
come on.
again.
Never get this one.
I got a jar of dirt. I got a jar of dirt.
You'll never guess what the depiction at the bottom is because it came out.
45.
Oh,
The more I added to it, the worse it got.
Pirate. Oh, sitting in a bottle.
Here are your choices.
Biscuits and gravy plates.
Ooh.
Here's everybody's
Nor do
picks.
I.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, wishful thinking.
It's gonna be biscuits and gravy. It's gonna be biscuits and gravy.
Yes, 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 it is. It's so hard to draw. I don't know why biscuits.
Yeah. As soon as I saw it, I was like, "No, that's too weird. That's got to be the one."
Exactly. Yeah. The more I tried to draw the gravy, it didn't look right. So sorry.
Ooh.
Hey, all your pictures are in. Let's take a
Doesn't
look.
look at all.
Dang.
Let's do this one.
Good.
Torture?
What is... Wow, there's so much going on in this picture.
What the hell is that? Is that some kind of torture?
Do I went with a safe answer?
35.
Safe answer. No,
I have no idea
safe
what that
answer. Safe answer.
25.
Oh no.
20.
That same guy with no mouth.
I mean, I probably could get
And
it,
here are your
but
choices.
I'm just dumb.
Happy nurse with a purse. That's a good one.
25.
Pick
That's a
something.
window. I don't know.
I don't even know what that word means.
A window with a painting with a tree in it?
What did everybody pick?
That's a good one.
Cha-ching.
Damn you, Goose.
Cha-ching.
Oh god damn it!
Cha-ching.
What?
Sucker. Sleeping doctor.
Second guessed
Even I
myself. I
would've
heard
gotten that
it,
one
but I
wrong.
wasn't sure. I second guessed.
Sleeping doctor! Why is there a syringe on the floor?
That's why he's asleep.
Reason?
Oh no! Oh ew! No! I'm
Why does that look like a voodoo doll?
Looking at it!
It's like a
Got
voodoo doll.
whiskers on one side, and I think he's holding a shiv.
Whiskers! Why do you think everything I draw on the face is whiskers?
What else could it be? Some really untamed eyebrows?
Is that like
Some
like
real
Japanese man
long sideburns?
I don't know.
like sensei mustache? You know how those like really sticky mustache?
Here are your choices.
You're the worst. That's great.
Is that pinhead or something?
25.
I don't know.
You know, I just didn't need this Tiki doll. Oh my god.
Pick
I'm at a loss
something.
for words right now. I don't know what the hell this is.
Yeah, it happens to everybody, so.
Oh.
All right. Who
Well,
picked what?
Oh, no. Come on now.
No, it
There's
isn't
no way it's one of those other fucking.
Cha-ching.
Yeah, it was pretty good, I thought.
Maybe guy getting stabbed by Spike. He's
Right.
Cha-ching.
No?
Oh, come on.
Maddie, why?
It's gotta be you're the worst. Oh my god, are you kidding?
See, I
No one
almost
took
picked that
this
one
one
just because it was the
personally.
only one that didn't make sense, but...
That's what you get for trying to outsmart the game.
Cha-ching.
Damn it.
Damn it.
Ooh.
I'm almost the worst. Actually, that thing was the worst.
Enter anything that could almost make
Let's
sense.
go.
What
Now,
the hell?
What is
Is
that?
this Miss Piggy, but Nightmare
It is
Fuel
Miss
version?
Piggy.
What? I don't even know. What? I don't even know.
35.
Like how you say, what is even? What is even?
25.
and here are your choices. Here's everybody's
actually, no.
picks.
Cha-ching.
Hey, nice.
Cha-ching. Cha-ching.
I like this
Yeah,
one.
because I can tell that it's being sarcastic for sure.
Now let's take a look at this one.
That is what that looks like something like a computer like file thing. Oh my god, like
Yes, I was trying to make this as blunt as possible without giving it away. Like writing what it is. Because I'm not about that.
40.
Because I don't know how you can draw this in a picture.
35.
Because the definition of it is not a picture. Well, stop! Why am I giving you hints? What am I doing? Stop!
25.
you want us to have the points. That's why. You just know.
Here are your choices.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Hold on.
And here are your picks.
Hey!
Feeling that one was too obvious.
Come on. Yes!
Yeah, that's what it is. I almost went with that.
That one was GIF.
How can you
GIF,
draw this in
or
a
however
picture
it's pronounced,
form?
I don't
It's literally
really care.
a moving picture.
Yay.
I was trying to figure, like, how do I make this look like a GIF? I don't know, like, draw that freaking corrupted picture thing.
And our next weird doodle.
Oh no.
What is that?
Okay.
I can explain.
Is that your
The size
character
of the
and
the person should be much bigger, and the thing they're holding should fit in their hands.
I know what
My first reaction was your character in The Sims 4 looking through that giant telescope. I don't know.
Yeah, he's probably there right now, sitting there in the game, doing his weird stuff on it, whatever he does. Do you actually know what he
He
does?
spends most of his time in the he den,
Yeah.
locking all of the rest of his family
And
up.
here are your choices.
Yeah, like, screw my family.
Come in the emo kid.
Pick something.
Okay, okay, angsty teen.
All right, who picked what?
Hey!
I almost picked that one.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're done with that now.
Why did I think it was a handheld blowing device? It looks like a fan at the front.
Okay, our next drawing.
Whoa! Hey now! You're an all-star!
I'm interested to see what you gather from this picture.
I actually know. Maybe.
I saw
And now
someone's
5 seconds.
crotchular region.
Okay, here are your choices.
Man having fun. That does not look like fun.
What else am I supposed to say? I don't know how to explain this thing.
Oh, I didn't even. Oh,
What did everybody
it didn't
pick?
even
I
let me
guarantee
Hey!
Oh,
No!
Yes,
Oh.
it's broken nuts.
Everybody messed up. Walk it off.
I
Walk
just
it
now
off.
noticed that.
Yeah.
That's
just
why
now noticed that
carrying.
it's ice.
That's why they're carrying a heavy bag of ice. Because it looks like he's struggling.
Yeah, somehow she usually does.
Would have beat you if I had selected the answer, but I pressed my screen and it didn't. Apparently, it didn't select it. So I was just sitting here like, yeah, I got this, and then it didn't answer.
Why is it me?
Unfortunate.
Pain me to stay quiet for that long. I had to force myself. It's.
We're
Be
missing,
prepared to be amazed.
we're missing one
Oh
person.
my god, Maddie. How are you doing this? First you drew a freaking VR chat like a god, and then you do this. It pains me. How can I draw?
Yeah, well,
Draw equals pain. There we go. That's an
Yes.
appropriate one.
Yep, that sounds about right. Sounds about right. Oh, there. Oh my god.
I'm
Oh
pretty
my
sure
god, that weasel picture.
I don't
yeah,
know.
she said we'd have to play without her. No
That was
potato.
a great room code though. It was literally what the fuck.